Good morning, students. This is the sixth chapter of your book. This is very important. The name of this chapter is Accounting Equation. Okay, first of all, we should understand accounting equation signifies that the assets of a business are always equal to the total of capital and liabilities. Okay, before understanding asset or liability, we should understand the balance sheet. So first of all, we should understand what are assets, what are liabilities. So to understand this, we should know about balance sheet. Here is a format of balance sheet. You can understand. You will write here capital and liabilities in this column, capital and liabilities amount, and we will write here assets and amount. What are the liabilities? Capital. We will write here. Suppose we can fill the amount here 60,000. If the capital is 60,000, whatever it would be. Next, creditors, and we can take the example 30,000, and bank overdraft. In this way we write, and these are the liabilities, and this is the capital. Now we will write some assets, cash and bank. Cash and bank, debtors. There may be different assets, stock, furniture, machinery, building, and all these assets. The amount will be different, but we can write here rupees. All the assets of rupees 1 lakh. So this is the format of balance sheet, and when we make the accounting equation, at that time you will use a formula. The name of that formula you will write in this way: assets is equal to, this will be equation like equation you have learned in mathematics, liabilities plus capital. Now we will understand a little example, a very easy example in this way. Suppose Gopal started a business. Suppose Gopal started a business and he invested the money rupees 75,000. This is the entry. Now how will we show this entry in this equation? Now we will understand. Students, what is the entry of starting the business in cash? Cash account debit to capital account. In this way, I have told you about assets and liability because cash, you are seeing here, cash is an asset. So we will write in this place where assets is written because cash is assets. So we will write here cash. Okay, and we will write here liabilities plus capital same, because in the entry cash account debit to capital we will not write anything. Now we will write amount. What the cash is invested? 75,000 rupees. You are seeing here. We will write under cash here. And what is the liability? There is no liability. When there is no liability, because the business is started just now, so we will write here 0. After some time, when business will go on, there will be some more assets, there will be some liabilities also. Then we will understand. But now we have started the business, so we have invested the 75,000. Gopal has invested 75,000 rupees as cash. So at this time there is no liability. Now we will make the equation equal. How will we make? Okay, here you are seeing 70,000, 75,000. Here you are seeing 0. If we write here 75,000 as capital, it means you can see here is a equal sign. In the LHS means left hand side and right hand side should be equal. That's why we will write here 75,000, and because you are seeing the 75,000 rupees here, so we can say this time the Gopal's business capital is also 75,000, and because he has invested 75,000 rupees as cash. This is the equation, and this is called accounting equation. This is the very basic, but I have told you this balance sheet because you should understand what does the capital mean, what is the cash, and what is the effect of all these assets. We will understand by taking an example after some time. Okay, first of all we should understand what is assets, what are the assets, what are the liabilities, what is capital, and how a entry is put into an equation. Okay students, I think you have understood all this.